step by step changing the font language back to English. So if you have played around with your font and now it is in another language, then in this video, follow the step-by-step instruction. First, tap on the home button to go back to your home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings menu, we scroll down. So scroll down, skip the first section, then skip this section, then skip this section, then continue to go down and skip another section here. Go down until you can see this icon, the gray icon with 3 lines running across. So that 3 lines there, tap on it. Then out here, tap on the first option. So at the top here, that is the language option. So you tap on that. And down here, look for English. If you do not see it said English in here, tap on the plus button. And then from the list, go down and select English. And then choose which type of English you want to use. And from here, you can choose Canada English, India English, New Zealand, Philippines, United Kingdom, United States. So select one that you use. And then tap on the second button over here. So this is the accept button. So tap on that button. And now you can see your font language will change back to English. Now, if in the list, you already have English in the list, then what you can do is you can touch and hold on to that option. Then once you are in edit mode, simply drag that particular language to the top. And once it is at the top, it will become the default language. Now tap on the back key to save the changes. And that is the step-by-step changing your font language back to English using the visual instruction and the icons. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.